Hello guys, welcome to today's webinar on top 5 programming languages. To survive in the modern world, we know coding is the essential skill. But coding is just not a skill, it's a superpower in your hand to convert your ideas into reality. Here the list got Python, data science, artificial intelligence, analytics. So these are the top cutting edge stuff people are working on. So to make a dent on the world, do you do something useful for the society, then Python is the way to go. Also, it is the easiest programming language out there. It is just like normal plain English. So let us move on to the second programming language that has got all the attention, which is Rust. As we know, C++ are the most popular languages for performance, low-level system access. But there is a catch. We have to compromise with security. So C++, say bye to them because we have a very good alternative. Rust programming language at the same time gives great performance, low-level programming stuff with the stability and expectations of the modern developer. The third position is JavaScript, the ubiquitous language of the web. So any developer of any background, whether it is Java or Python or .NET, we used to have JavaScript as the front-end programming language. Now it has made a jump to server side as well. So Node.js is the performance-wise top server-side technology now, beating others. So JavaScript on the client side and on the server side makes it a deadly combination. So the MERN stack or with React or Angular, all of them are leading the pack. Finally, on to mobile app development. So we have Kotlin as recommended by Google catching up, and instead of Java, Kotlin became the de facto language for Android app development. And finally, for some serious distributed computing work for data center related operations, we have the Go programming language from Google, where you can do distributed computing with ease, ensure your applications are enterprise grade, focusing on data center set of operations. So guys, those are the top 5, and in our coming days and weeks, we are going to dive deep into each one of these languages and try to do some great projects, fun creative works with them. So guys, we at Datapro welcome you all to our premises to participate in some great exciting projects. We have the experienced faculty members and mentors who can take you to the process of learning a language and also applying it to create a great project that will add weight to your resume. So when you attend any interview or go for a career opportunity, this is what matters: the right skill and an application of that, and knowing the ins and outs of it. Of course, at the end of the day, you have the thrill of doing a project on your own and do something useful for the society. So Datapro provides the right infrastructure, the right people, and the environment to make you successful in your career. I am Vijay, is the project manager and team lead here at Datapro. So we curate the syllabus, we curate the quizzes that are conducted. We regularly are in touch with the industrial requirements because our goal is to bridge the gap between academic and industry. So we always are in touch with NASCOM and happenings in the IT field and upgrade our syllabus and the content and provide it to all the franchisees of Datapro throughout Pan India. And I'll be helping you guys crack that ultimate IT job that you are aiming for. So for more information and to keep track of IT trends and learn about what courses we offer and what are the trendy ones that help you in your career, please follow our social media channels And you can contact us always. We are available 24 by 7 at these phone numbers and email addresses.